Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today we are about to peel back the secrets of one of the most beloved fruits on the planet, the banana. You might say you know everything about this yellow delight, but hold on to your potassium hats. We are about to uncover some fascinating and little known facts that would make you see banana in a whole new light. From their mysterious origins to their surprising abilities. We're ready for a banana revolution like never before. The Guinness World Record for the longest banana peel was set in 2012 by Ashita Verma. The banana peel measured 5.51 meters, 18 feet, 1 inch long. Bananas are berries belonging to the same family as orchids and lilies. Over 100 billion bananas are consumed globally every year, making them the fourth most popular agricultural product. Bananas are naturally radioactive due to their high level of potassium. However, the radiation levels are extremely low and pose no health risks. Bananas contain a natural chemical called tryptophan, which is converted into serotonin in the body. Serotonin is known as the happy hormone and can help improve mood and reduce stress. The inside of a banana peel can be used to polish shoes, clean silverware, and even relieve a mosquito bite and skin irritation. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and share with your loved ones.